The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro is a gaming-oriented smartphone that was announced on July 5, 2022, and released on July 13, 2022. It comes with a range of advanced features and top-of-the-line hardware that make it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. The phone supports a range of network technologies, including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. This ensures that you can stay connected to the internet and make calls from almost anywhere in the world. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro has a sleek design and durable build. The dimensions are 173 by 77 by 10.3 mm, 6.81 by 3.03 by 0.41 in, and it weighs 239 g, 8.43 ounces. The phone features a glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, glass back, Gorilla Glass 3, and an aluminum frame. It also has dual SIM slots, nano SIM, dual standby, and is IPX4 water resistant. The phone features a large, 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2448 pixels, 395 ppi density, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It has a 165 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and can reach 800 nits and 1200 nits brightness. There's also a 1.2-inch OLED display on the back of the phone that can be used for various purposes, including taking selfies. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro runs on Android 12 and is powered by a Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4nm, chipset. It features an octa-core CPU with 1x3.19 GHz Cortex-X2, 3x2.75 GHz Cortex-A710, and 4x1.80 GHz Cortex-A510. The phone also has an Adreno 730 GPU and 18 GB of RAM, ensuring that it can handle even the most demanding games and apps. The phone comes with 512 GB of internal UFS 3.1 storage and does not have a card slot for expandable storage. However, it does support NTFS for external storage, so you can still use external hard drives or USB sticks with the phone. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro has a triple camera setup on the back, including a 50MP wide-angle lens with f/1.9 aperture, a 13MP ultra-wide lens with f/2.2 aperture, and a 5MP macro lens. It also features LED flash, HDR, and panorama modes, and can shoot videos in 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 30/60/120 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120/240 fps, and 720p at 480 fps with Euro IS. The front-facing camera is a single 12MP wide-angle lens with f/2.2 aperture, and it can shoot 1080p at 30 fps videos. The phone features a loudspeaker with stereo speakers and 2 amplifiers, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack that supports 32-bit/384 kHz audio. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro comes with Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6e and Wi-Fi Direct, as well as Bluetooth 5.2 with A2DP, LE, aptX HD, and aptX Adaptive for wireless connectivity. It also supports multiple global satellite navigation systems, including GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, and NavIC. In terms of sensors, the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro features a fingerprint sensor under the display, an accelerometer, a gyro, a proximity sensor, and a compass. It also has IPX4 water resistance, which means it can withstand splashes of water from any direction. The device is powered by a non-removable 6000 mAh LiPo battery that supports 65W wired charging with PD 3.0 and QC5 technology, allowing for a full charge in just 42 minutes. It also has 10W reverse wired charging capability. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro is available in Storm White and is priced at $1,099.99. Overall, the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro is a high-end gaming smartphone with top-of-the-line specs and features. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate, 1B colors, and HDR10 Plus support provides a great viewing experience. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and Adreno 730 GPU ensure smooth and fast performance, even when running multiple apps or playing demanding games. The device also has an impressive camera setup, with a triple rear camera featuring a 50MP wide lens, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. The front-facing 12MP camera takes clear and detailed selfies. Gamers will appreciate the pressure-sensitive zones on the sides of the device, which act as gaming triggers. The device also has two front-facing stereo speakers with 32-bit/384 kHz audio for an immersive audio experience. In summary, the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro is a high-end gaming smartphone with top-notch specs and features, making it an excellent choice for gamers and power users who demand the best performance from their devices. That's a wrap on our specification review of the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. From its impressive display to its powerful processor and long-lasting battery, this gaming phone is sure to impress. But what do you think? Are you considering purchasing the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you're interested, we can also provide a comparison between the Asus ROG Phone 6 and the Red Magic 8. Just let us know and we'll be happy to oblige.